In this video, we're going to explore how to find duplicate words in a text using regular expressions. Regular expressions are powerful tools that allow us to search and manipulate text in very flexible ways. Let's see how they can help us identify repeated words. So, what exactly are duplicate words? Duplicate words are simply words that appear consecutively, one after the other, in a sentence or phrase. For example, in the sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, the words quick and the are repeated. Our goal is to use regular expressions to identify these kinds of repetitions in a given text. Sign. Here's the basic regular expression pattern we'll use to find these duplicate words. \b, open parenthesis, \w plus sign, close parenthesis, \s plus sign, \1 \b. Let's break down what each part of this pattern means. Don't worry if it looks a bit intimidating at first. By the end of the video, you will understand this pattern. Let's dissect the components of the regular expression pattern. First, \b represents a word boundary. This ensures that we match whole words and not just parts of words. Next, open parenthesis, \w plus sign, close parenthesis creates a capture group. \w matches any word character, like letters, numbers, and underscores, and the plus sign means one or more occurrences. This entire group captures the word pattern that we want to find duplicates of. Then \s plus sign matches one or more whitespace characters, such as spaces or tabs, between the repeated words. Finally, \1 is a back reference to the first capture group. It refers back to the word that was captured earlier. So, it looks for the exact same word again. Put it all together, and the pattern efficiently identifies consecutive duplicate words. Now, let's implement this regular expression in Python. First, import the re module, which is Python's built-in regular expression library. Then define a function called find_duplicates that takes text as an argument. Inside the function, define the regular expression pattern as a raw string. The raw string makes sure that all characters are interpreted literally. Use re.findAll function to find all non-overlapping matches of the pattern in the text. This function returns a list of the captured words, which are the duplicate words in this case. Finally, return the list of the matched duplicate words. In the example, we're calling the function with the text, the quick brown fox, and then printing the result. The output will be a list containing quick, because it is the only word that is duplicated in the provided text. What if we want to find duplicate words regardless of their case? For example, we want to identify the or quick as duplicates as well. To do this, we can use the re.ignore case flag in Python. This flag tells the regular expression engine to perform a case-insensitive match. In the updated code, we pass re.ignore case as a flag to the re.findAll function. Now, when we run the code with the text, the quick brown, the output will be a list containing the and quick. This is because the pattern now matches the and quick irrespective of their case. Let's consider a more advanced scenario. What if we want to match words that are repeated multiple times in a sequence, such as the or quick? For this, we can modify our regular expression pattern to \b, open parenthesis, \w plus sign, close parenthesis, open parenthesis !, \s plus sign, \1, \b, close parenthesis plus sign. This pattern builds upon our previous pattern. It captures the first word, and then uses a non-capturing group to match additional repetitions of the same word. ! tells the regular expression engine to not create a capture group. The plus sign at the end of the non-capturing group makes sure that we match one or more occurrences of the repeated word. Now let's put it all together into a complete solution. In this code, we define a function called find_and_replace_duplicates that takes text as an argument. This function uses the advanced regular expression pattern we discussed earlier to find words that are repeated multiple times in sequence. Then, it uses the re.sub function to replace the entire sequence of repeated words with just the first occurrence of the word. The re.ignore case flag ensures that the replacement is case insensitive. Finally, the function returns the clean text with the duplicate words removed. In the example, the text "the quick brown fox" is clean to "the quick brown fox." If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.